They sparkle, they beep, they promise joy. But what if I told you some of the brightest toys on store shelves are hiding toxic secrets? In 2014, toy manufacturers have reported the use of dangerous chemicals like BPA, arsenic, cadmium, and mercury, not once or twice, but over 11,000 times in their official disclosures. According to V Act for Environmental Justice, each one of those entries was a red flag, a warning about just how widespread these harmful substances were in products designed for children, a hidden crisis hiding in plain sight. A 2014 report by Washington Toxics Coalition also revealed that between March and September, manufacturers have filed 4,605 reports, noting the presence of chemicals of high concern for children, including BPA, heavy metals like cadmium and mercury, flame retardants, phthalates, and formaldehyde. One day, a friend of mine told me about how her cousin had developed breathing problems out of nowhere. After a few heavy metal blood tests and urine tests, doctors finalized that her blood contains cadmium, mercury, and BPA, chemicals that are commonly found in plastic toys. According to reporters, approximately 9 million people are currently facing breathing problems due to plastic toys. Plastic toys contain harmful chemicals that can affect children's health significantly. According to Sir Peter Fantke from the Technical University of Denmark, cadmium, one of the over 100 chemicals found in plastic toys, has been linked to asthma and breathing problems. Even though many toys are labeled safe, they often escape strict safety checks, putting children at risk. A non toxic, sustainable alternative is urgently needed. Bioplastic toys are the natural version of regular plastic toys, made from plant sugars, fermented bacteria, and sugarcane alcohol instead of fossil fuels. There are three types of bioplastics: PLA, made from fermented plant sugars, PHA, made from bacterial fermentation, and green PE, made from sugarcane alcohol, all of which are non toxic and child safe as highlighted by PMC. These are safe, biodegradable, and recyclable. Companies like Fokker, Dentoy, and Lego use bioplastic types like PLA, PHA, and green PE in their toys, which are non toxic, food contact approved, and recyclable. Fokker, a German bioplastics firm, produces green PE, Tellane, and Bioflex, all suitable for safe and injection molded toys. They serve clients like SigiKid and Entoy with certifications and lab tested safety standards. Tentoy, a Danish toy company, offers a full line of bioplastic toys like building blocks and teethers made from greater than 95% sugarcane based material. Their toys are food contact approved, dishwasher safe, and recyclable. Life cycle assessments show that each kilogram removes 3.09 kilograms of carbon dioxide during sugarcane cultivation. As per a BBC report, Lego began producing botanical elements from sugarcane derived polyethylene starting in 2018. These pieces are chemically identical to conventional polyethylene while meeting Lego's strict quality and safety standards. By design, they are soft, durable, flexible, and tested rigorously. As per Reddit, bioplastics like PLA, PHA, and green PE are naturally derived and inherently free from harmful phthalates, BPA, and heavy metals. This eliminates major chemical exposures linked to asthma and allergic inflammation. The tabloid, The Australian, states that since these toys don't leach plasticizers, homes with bioplastic toys have much lower indoor dust concentrations of harmful phthalates, a known route of exposure in children. A report in PMC validates that children, especially infants, frequently mouth toys and put hands in dust. Exposure to phthalates via ingestion or inhalation to traditional toys significantly increases risk. Bioplastic toys remove this hazard entirely. Choosing bioplastic toys is a scientifically backed health conscious decision that protects children from harmful chemical exposures while promoting safe and sustainable play. Thank you.